Is Punjab heading for a leadership change? Punjab Congress MLAs will be holding an emergency meeting at 5 p.m. today amid the festering battle between Chief Minister Amarinder Singh and the State Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu. The meeting comes after sources say over 40 Congress MLAs wrote to Sonia Gandhi seeking a leadership change ahead of the elections. A furious Amarinder Singh has reportedly told Congress President Sonia Gandhi that enough is enough. He couldn't continue in the party with this kind of humiliation. Mr. Singh, however, has so far refused to resign, which raises the possibility of a split in the Congress and a floor test. Now, facing an exit, Amarinder Singh is attempting to rally loyal MLAs. He is holding a crucial meeting of his loyalists right now to rally support. Now, for the legislature party meeting, Congress has sent Harish Chaudhary and Ajay Maken as observers. Meanwhile, names of 3 leaders are circulating as possible replacements in case of a change. Sunil Jakhar, former Punjab Congress Chief, Pratap Singh Bajwa, and Beyan Singh's grandson and MP, Ravneet Singh Bittu. So these names are doing the rounds. That CLP meeting will be happening at 5 p.m. this evening. So lots of political developments there in Punjab. Let's go across to Sunil Prabhu to understand what's going on. Sunil, so depending on what happens at the CLP meeting, what are the possible scenarios here?
Well, the possible scenario is loud and clear. I think Captain Amarinder has understood that the message is for him to resign. He's been told by no less than the Congress president to put in his paper, but he's also not ready to give up without a fight and saying that this humiliation is enough. I can't continue with the party like this. Whether there is a last-minute change or not, but otherwise he's expected to, put in his papers. But the fact remains that it has been badly handled. The Congress party has allowed the situation to go from bad to worse. There are 2 people who are singularly responsible for this, and we have to call them a spade. Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for allowing the situation to have gone. They have been asked to handle this for a long time, and clearly with them not being able to handle this entire scenario, we are now seeing a public spectacle of a leadership change. Juxtapose this to a week ago when, the Chief Minister of Gujarat was asked to resign, Mr. Rupani, not a murmur. And then subsequently, even though there was a delayed swearing in, but the cabinet reshuffle took place without any, present minister being made a minister again. So it's in that backdrop now that we are seeing those rumblings within the party. Will this be a trigger for the Congress party to split? Will this be a trigger for the Congress High Command to understand that enough is enough for them, that they need to understand and handle the situation better? These are questions that we'll have to see and wait and watch. Who are the replacements for Captain Amarinder? Sunil Jakhar, as you rightly pointed out, is the number 1. The second, of course, is Mr. Bittu, Ravneet Bittu, who's the former, who's the grandson, is a present member of Parliament from Lok Sabha MP, and
yes.
Then, of course, Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Who becomes is ultimately anybody's guess. The clear front runner is Sunil Jakhar, and we'll have to wait and see how things play out. But definitely, the Punjab crisis could have been handled in a much better manner than it has been done. A public spectacle, a war of words, a fight between Captain Amarinder and Mr. Sidhu,
yes.
And ultimately now leading to a chief minister change. And if they do go ahead, the Congress does go ahead in appointing a non-Sikh as the chief minister, it's a big shift in Punjab politics, and we'll have to wait and see what the fallout for that is.